Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dami here. If you're new, welcome. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on my notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post new content. But as you can read by the title, I am attempting to do a Flexi Rod set. This is my second time ever doing a set. The first time your girl was looking a hot mess. But if you want to see how I achieve these pretty curls, please keep on watching. My hair is already blow dried and I am sectioning it off into 4 sections, and I'm taking my Curl Starter Cocoa Cream Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. I'm taking this along with my Eco Style Gel and I am just working that through my hair and focusing it on my ends to make sure that it creates a hold whenever I wrap my hair around the rod. This first attempt of me trying the rod, I am starting at the root and then just twisting my hair around the rod. But throughout the video, you will notice that I'm going to switch up my method that I was using. But right now, the first 2 rods, I'm doing it this method. Just taking hair, starting at the root and going around the rod and making sure that it's holding and sticking by putting enough product towards the end and then flipping the rods up. So right here is when I decide to do a different technique. I am still just working my 2 products in my hair and basically focus it on the end so that it creates that hold. But this time I am going to split a section into 2 subsections, and I'm going to take one section and wrap it around the rod, just like the other technique that I was using at first. And then I'm going to take that other subsection and also wrap it around the other end of the rod. Now you see me with all the rods in my hair. I believe I let them sit for a good 4 or 5 hours. If it was up to me, I would have slept with the rods in my hair just because I know they would have been even more defined if I let them sit overnight. But I was going somewhere this evening, so I had to take them down. As you can see, I am just untwisting my hair from the rod.
Scandy. 25. Instinct.
Now that the rods are completely out of my hair, I am just going through and separating the curls I think needs to be separated. Like I said, if I would have slept with the rods in my head, I do believe that the curls would have been more defined, especially up towards the roots, but it still turned out pretty cute. So I'm just going through separating the curls, and then I am going to take my fingers and fluff my roots because I do love that big voluptuous look. So I'm just going in and giving myself that height to my hair. Now, if you know me personally, you know I love my baby hairs. Every hairstyle I wear, I am going to slick down my baby hairs. So I'm just taking my Eco Style gel and my hair toothbrush, and I'm just swooping my edges because I cannot leave the house without baby hairs.
Scandy. 25. Instinct.
And there you have it, the final look of my Flexi Rod set. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, in the comments, leave some suggestions of what other hair videos you guys would like to see from me. But in the meantime, thank you guys for watching. Bye.